Hi, I'm Jason with the Reynolds team here in Vero Beach. Lucky on the Reynolds team we have a lot of local resources to help us stand out in the buying process. One of those resources is Brian from Island Harbor Construction. He's a local contractor that deals with larger construction, mostly remodeling projects, but he can do a little bit of everything you want. Just want to introduce Brian and let him tell you a little bit about himself.
So I'm Brian Neu. I'm with Island Harbor. We're a custom builder. We do everything from home renovations to new builds. We've been working in the Indian River County, mainly Sebastian, Vero Beach area. We try to focus on the more upscale, high-end work. We take a lot of pride in what we do. We use the best subcontractors, material providers that the area has to offer. And if anyone ever needs to get a hold of us, you can reach out and contact Island Harbor, and we'd be happy to help you.